How to redeem Bank of America travel rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Bank of America travel rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Just sign in into your online banking account at bankofamerica.com and then select your account. Now, select the rewards option you see there and further tap on the redeem points option, or you can also call on the toll-free number in the screen. What you should need to know before applying is, first, points are available for redemption as soon as they appear on your monthly billing statement. Next, the most up-to-date number of points you have available to redeem is available online or at the number above and may differ from the available points shown on your last monthly billing statement. Also, you can only redeem points in whole point increments, but any fractions of points will continue to accumulate towards the next whole point for future redemptions. So this is how you can redeem Bank of America travel rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.